Okay, so yeah, hello and welcome to another lecture in this course where we'll quickly explain you and show you how to exactly use operators on your variables and numbers in Java programming. So as you can see right here, let's start right now. So first of all, let's create a commentary. And let's write it out. So you already know the basic operators from a math class or from school, like how to multiply things, the plus symbol, the minus symbol, and the divide symbol. So in Java, they're mostly a little bit different. So which is the same as the plus? Is for adding values. The minus is for removing something. And then we got the star symbol for multiply values. And then we got the slash for dividing values. So this is the normal things. So the plus and the minus is for sure like in school. The star also, it looks like the star or the symbol you use for multiplying values. And the slash is a little bit different from normal, but this is in programming that mostly a slash symbol is dividing values. So yeah, let's start. What we can do is, in this case, we can do first of all system.out.println, and here we can write, for example, 100 plus 100. And you will see that we will get printed out 200, but I will show you another way later on in this lecture right here. You can see we get 200. So what we also can do is we can, for example, do 100 minus 44. As you can see successfully, we get the right number. We can also do this by, for example, multiplying. Then we should get something about, 4,000, I think. Yeah, 4,400, as you can see. Or we can also divide it by 2. Then we should get 50, sorry, not 15. Yeah, as you will see, perfectly 50. So, but what we also can do is, we can, for example, do, as you already know, for example, if we want to have, first of all, 100 plus 100, and then multiplied by 10, and then again plus 10. Yeah, so I don't know what it comes out, but you will see what will happen. So those brackets will first of all would be this, then the other one, and then this. So yeah, that's 200, that's 2000, plus 10 is 2010. So this is how this works. But what we also can do is we can combine the operators with variables. So what we can do is we can create an int or an integer, but I like to use in this case int. Let's do number 1 is equal to 10, and int number 2 is equal to, let's do 15. So what we can do now, we can create an int, and then let's do numbers equals, or we can just call it total, that's better. Total 10 plus, number 1 plus number 2. Int, let's call this removed number 1 minus number 2. Let's do int multiplied equals number 1 multiplied with number 2. And then int divided equals number 1 divided by number 2. As you can see. Okay. Yeah, let's do. So what we can do, number 1 divided by by number 2. Okay, and what can we do now? We can print it out. So what we can do is we can, for example, do now system.out.println, and in this case total. And you will see we will get 25. As you can see, successful. And we can do this the same, for example, with the multiplied. Then we should get, something about over 100, 150 or something like this. Yeah, as you can see. And yeah, so this is how you can use all those variables. What we also can do is we can do int total equals number 1, or we can again use those brackets, number 1 plus number 2 minus number 2. Run this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I've not the right variable in here. It will not give me an error because I have multiplied and not total right here. Total. Run this. And then you will successfully see we'll get 10, which is true because 10 plus 15 is 25 minus 15 is 10. So as you can see, this is basically how you can use operators on variables and some basic math tasks in Java. So just keep in mind, the plus symbol is for adding values together, the minus is removing one value or many values from one other, the star is for multiplying two values or more values, and the slash is for dividing values in Java. So as you can see, this is very easy and could also be very useful. Also, if you want to be right here, you can also use this bracket to be counted 2 numbers before or something like this. So be the king in your tasks when calculating things. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this little lecture helped you a little bit more for understanding how to exactly use operators on your tasks in Java. And I will see you in the next lecture where we'll continue working on how to exactly learn programming with Java. So yeah, see you in the next lecture. Bye.